Hello everyone, welcome to Science with Elliot, and this episode is another request. It's by Eliza, who's in shark class at St Werburgh, currently studying natural hazards including volcanoes. So there are many types of volcanoes and they're formed in many different ways, but it's mostly this. When lava, you might have heard of it, very hot, gooey, almost liquidy fire, is underground, it's called magma. It's like molten rock. It's just melted earth and everything, and that's underground in the Earth's surface in the mantle, and it's just underground, not doing much, just bubbling away, like almost like fizzy drinks. However, when certain things happen, like tectonic plates interacting, then things can get weird. So there are many types of tectonic plates, but there's two that you might know about: constructive, where they're pulling apart, forming gaps, or destructive, where they collide and one of them's heavier, going downwards. In constructive, oftentimes the gap will obviously be space for magma to go up, but it will only go up a little bit. It will form more of a flat shield volcano, which has more magma, but it's less violent, it's more gentle, it oozes. Meanwhile, for destructive ones, the lower plate turns into magma, and the new crazy gap allows magma to spurt up much more violently in a taller cone volcano, which is a bit more destructive and violent. And the thing about the magma is that it also contains things like hot bubbles of ash, which obviously you might know can cloud the sky during an eruption, as well as lava and dust and fire and like so many things. It's like a volcanic eruption is a lot more messy than you might even think, and some volcanoes slowly grow. Like when the magma goes up, it cools and turns into rock. But then there's room for more molten hot magma, which cools and it just keeps going until you have a really tall volcano, which is what happened in a certain volcano called Pinatubo in 1942. A farmer saw in his back garden a volcano that just kept growing over the course of the months. But yeah, and that is honestly a lot of basic things about volcanoes, how they form and what eruptions are like. But yeah, again, special thanks to Eliza for the request, and thank you for Mia for giving a lot of information and helping set up a lot of this. Also, you might really want to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more sciencey videos. But thank you, and again, bye!